Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the PEPE update today. So check the comment section for a Discord invitation link. Now I have seen a small intention from PEPE previously, but then again that intention faded away very quickly. I wanted to take a trade in the middle because of some few hot zones that I actually saw, and I'm going to tell you what this is. So you can actually see that we do have a bit of a hot zone. I would actually say it's almost like an area because we've had many interaction here. We've had a touch, move up, a touch, move up, a touch, move up, another touch, and then you're moving back up once again. So I'm actually wondering if this is still another opportunity to actually kind of try to go back up once again or not. But then I think just not, and this could actually be a trap. The intention is not very good at the moment. And I'm going to take the trend line and drop the trend line. So we're still struggling, and previously I tried to take the trade because I saw that maybe it's actually breaking this little bit of a pattern, if you notice, and it could actually break for a 7% move up. But I actually noticed one more problem, that you still have another trap here. Okay, so this is still another resistance. You got rejected, you went down, again you're getting rejected here. So it's kind of shady. It's kind of hard to judge if you still have the power, if you still have the will to actually go and continue to go to the upside. Now I think I have been through this whole conversation of PEPE, and I will say that for me it's game over. The hot zone is still maintained at the moment. That's actually still pretty good, right? Even if you go down and check the 1 hour time frame, you can see the prices are moving down and you have a little bit of a bullish divergence going on. So far on the smaller time frame, it's a little bit good, but on the higher time frames, that's where I'm actually disturbed, because when I switch on the weekly, who is going to explain to me? Because this right here is a bearish engulfing candle. You have the green and then you have a massive red following wick. So basically these two actually shows that this week, in the next 5 days, we are supposed to get a red candle. That's the main problem. So when you have the higher time frame looking bad, it's going to affect that 1 hour. It doesn't even really matter if you have the the bullish divergence or not. So that's it for this very quick update, but still put a stop here, 6811, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.